Yo guys, so today the famous, the famous Nairobi Express. So today I wanna show you more closer to what it means with the flowers. So I'm gonna cross. I'm crossing a highway. So this is the tree. This is the tree being planted on Nairobi. So these are the trees that have been planted on Expressway, and today I just fulfill my thought, you know. Look at this. Are this beautiful? You see? This is what is this, man? The technology. The technology behind the Nairobi Expressway. So okay, the flower, they seems natural from Kenya. The flower planted here in the Mofangi. Did you say Mofangi? Mofangi. Guys, look at this. Is this so nice? I know many people have been showing me this, but for me today I want to bring you closer to what is planted, the technology behind the Nairobi Expressway. All this, I wish I can do photography inside here. Being a photographer, I have seen an opportunity. Here we can do good pictures, man. Free set for photography. So it is so beautiful. Like imagine doing your photography between this with your zoom lens, man. I need to buy a zoom lens. I'm looking for finance to be able to buy for a zoom lens, so that I can be taking pictures away. Like that man, the way he's coming. If I can get such pictures on a far place, I'll get a best picture, man. So the technology. So as you can see, this is the technology behind this. They have just put like trees with the stuff inside and flowers in it. Yeah, something like that. They have made it more simple. Is that Skuma Wiki? Guys, they have planted Skuma Wiki. Oh my god. So, watu wenye tunakuanga na njaa, we can get Skuma Wiki here. You can plant your vegetable. But it's like some are being eaten by some bacteria. You can see. This technology is so beautiful and it is so wow. And if you understand being if you're a really photographer, you can tell the difference of this road here. Yeah, I can see the beauty of it. This is so beautiful. If you are a photographer and you have in Nairobi and you haven't used of this thing very well, you haven't used this technology, you haven't used this field very well, man, it is time as photographers we step our game out in Nairobi. I know sometimes they bring like security things, but at the moment it is not yet open, and it will be better if you'll be the first person to do a photography here. I'm hoping on Sunday, if I'll be in Nairobi, I'll be doing a shoot here, or when I get the lens. So this is the technology. I wish they could have planted fruits. Some are dying because of water. Yeah, you can see. You see? Yeah. You can see the technology behind me. And this side. I'm not going far because I don't want to go back. See that technology. What is it? What is planted? I'm going. Yeah, what is planted here is so imaginary. Don't mean Narudi. Narudi. Yes. So I'm heading back, and so guys, you guys should enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. So yeah, you understand, this is how it is. This is Kenya, this is how beautiful it is. You can see. Yeah, this camera, this my GoPro is so wide. I'm so happy to have this GoPro from a friend of mine in Sweden. She gave me as a present, and I'm happy because I can do some crazy videos without being there is a lot of noise from cars. There is a lot of noise from cars. You can tell. So guys, you see, this is how beautiful is it in Nairobi. This is on the ground. I think water is coming. I think they have already started spraying water. I can see people spraying water the other side. Yes, there. That is where they spray water. Oh my God. So, move. I'm waiting to be sprayed water. So guys, okay, these are the spray water on this plant. You can see there, they're spreading water. Whoa. They're spraying water. That is how they make this road look beautiful. Government is trying.